How I got this shot. First of all, I'm in my studio and I have a Westcott FJ400 with a Westcott 7-foot umbrella, and I have a red gel in there. I have this canvas covering the umbrella almost as a flag, with the model tied up against it. What this does is the red gel is going to come out of the umbrella and it's going to wrap around the model and give that edge glow of red, as seen here. Next, I have an FJ400 with a blue gel to illuminate the model and give that blue contrast color. Okay, that's all right? All right. Okay, just making sure. Then I just let my model find the poses that she likes best. What's your favorite go-to gelled lighting setup? Leave a comment below. Put it all together, and here's my shot. Like, follow, comment, and subscribe.